Hello guys, my name is Chin Kumar and I am the teacher for biology from BBC group, and today's class is going to discuss about sexually transmitted disease, means those type of disease which are easily transmitted from one person to other person by sexual contact or sexual intercourse. Sexual contact may be coitus, may be oral sex, may be anal sex. Clear? So all type of sexual coitus or sexual activities can be transferred the positive agents of this type of diseases. So guys, you know very well, in last class we discussed about MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. Clear? After that we discussed about amniocentesis, a prenatal diagnostic technique which are used to detect the genetic disease or abnormalities or sex detection in fetus. After that, this is new topic and this is sexually transmitted disease. We know very well STDs, or we can say Werner disease. So these all are same thing. Sexually transmitted disease means those type of disease which can be infected easily by sexual intercourse or sexual contact. So this is the table of, you know very well, this is the disease name, and these are the causative agent of that disease. These are the disease name and these are the causative agents. So you know, number one first disease is syphilis. Syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum bacteria. A bacteria named Treponema pallidum caused syphilis. In the symptoms of syphilis, the small reddish bluish color warts are formed on the genital organs of male and female also, and sometimes these type of infection or these type of rashes of bluish reddish color can be seen on the near lips and other hands and other limbs वगैरह. So this is the syphilis which can cause easily by Treponema pallidum and which can easily transmitted by sexual intercourse. So number second is gonorrhea. Gonorrhea disease is caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. But you remember one thing, the male is infected easily by Neisseria gonorrhoeae, but female is only carrier and not show the any symptom of gonorrhea disease. So not in this point, gonorrhea disease which can cause by easily Neisseria gonorrhoeae bacteria, and female is the only carrier of the Neisseria gonorrhoeae bacteria, but male is very well infected by this bacteria. Now we are going to third disease. Third disease is chlamydia. Chlamydia is caused by Chlamydia trichomatis, and this is also a bacteria. Okay. In this case, chlamydia, urethra infection occurs and vaginal infections also occurs, and in these conditions, the person infected by burning micturition, मतलब पेशाब में जलन होना, burning micturition, and some wounds are appears on the genital organs. And number 4 is trichomoniasis. Trichomoniasis is the protozoal infection, not bacteria, not virus. This is protozoal infection and caused by Trichomonas vaginalis. This mostly infected the female genital organs, means vagina. vagina and cervical area. In this condition, the female release a very bad smell and whitish fluid from their vagina. So, in the case of Trichomonas vaginalis, called the trichomoniasis, and in this condition, the infected female release the bad smell and whitish fluid from their vagina. Now, genital herpes. Next disease is genital herpes. Herpes is caused by herpes simplex virus. Herpes simplex virus. And in this case, the genital organs are affected by herpes wounds. मतलब small type of wounds which can very itching and burning sensation and very painful condition. So next is genital warts. Warts means मस्से होता है. तो warts done by human papilloma virus. Now next is AIDS. AIDS you know very well. What is the full form of AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and this disease is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Please write the full form of this disease and the positive agent. In this condition of AIDS, the affected person immunity is very low, or we can say is negligible and zero level. So many types of disease infect the person, and person can be died after some time. So AIDS is the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome which caused by human immunodeficiency virus. Okay. Now next and last disease is hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is related to the liver. Hepatocells are found in the liver. So you know where is the hepatic means liver. So this is the inflammation condition of the liver. In this condition, hepatitis B disease caused by hepatitis B virus. Simple name disease and done by virus. ठीक है. So hepatitis B disease caused by hepatitis B virus. You know very well jaundice condition. So this is the jaundice condition. jaundice पीलिया जो होता है घरों में लोगों को पीलिया जो हो जाता है वो हेपेटाइटिस की वजह से होता है. So these are the some diseases which can be easily transmitted by sexual contact or unsafe sexual intercourse. So guys, so please note down your notebook and clear on single page. Left side write down the disease name and right side note down the positive agent of related diseases. So please understand and remember the disease and their positive agents. Clear guys? So these are the some sexual transmitted diseases which can cause easily transmitted by infected person to another person by a sexual contact or sexual intercourse. Thank you.